Let's go over the steps on how to use the Arkscan MHL17 laptop mount for car headrests. The product comes with the following parts: laptop tray with safety straps, arm, extensions, headrest clamp, Allen wrench, and optional bolts. To get started, we need to first attach the headrest clamp to the headrest. Using the provided Allen wrench, unscrew the bolts from the mount. Align the headrest post with the grooves in the mount. Insert the screws and begin tightening. If the original bolts are too short, please use the provided longer optional bolts. Loosen the swivel joint receiver and insert it onto the headrest swivel joint. Use the adjustment screw to tighten it into place. If the adjustment screw is hitting, you can pull outward to disengage the screw and allow for free rotation. Screw the laptop tray onto the mount arm. Make sure all the adjustment screws are secure and tight before placing the laptop on the tray. Finally, tighten the safety straps around the base of the laptop to keep it securely in place.